Kia ora koutou te whānau. This here is a beautiful conch shell in which we have turned into a Māori putatara, which is a Māori trumpet. It has been bound with handmade 3-plat, decorated with native weka feathers, and the mouthpiece has been carved out of a whale tooth.